Let me tell you something that nobody has ever told you before. Love, real love, is not what you think it is. We live in a world that teaches men that love is some weakness, some soft emotion, some fairy tale that just happens. But I'm here to break that illusion. Men don't just fall in love. They are programmed to love, but not in the way you think. See, a man doesn't fall in love with a woman because she's beautiful, not because she's smart, not because she's kind. Those are triggers, not the cause. A man falls in love when his deepest identity is transformed by her presence. When a woman enters a man's life and makes him feel like more, not less, more powerful, more capable, more alive, he will crave her like oxygen. Because here's the truth: men are warriors. Their DNA was built to fight, to hunt, to conquer. But when a woman enters his world and makes him feel like he's fighting for something greater than himself, that's when love burns into his soul. You ever wonder why men chase the wrong women? Because they're not looking for love, they're looking for an identity. And if a woman amplifies his insecurities, his weaknesses, his fears, he won't love her, he'll fear losing her. That's not love, that's a prison. But when a man finds a woman who expands his reality, who speaks to his vision, who ignites his spirit, that's when he bonds. That's when he chooses. That's when he commits. Because men don't just fall in love, they anchor their soul to the woman who makes them feel like the highest version of themselves. And once that happens, nothing can break it. Here's an intense, mind-altering expansion of key point 1, crafted to grip your audience with every single line. Men don't fall in love the way you've been told. Forget the fairy tales, the scripted romance movies, the cliches they fed you since childhood. Men don't fall for a pretty face. They don't fall because of kind words, sweet gestures, or even loyalty alone. Those things matter, but they don't create that unshakable, all-consuming, can't live without you kind of love. No. What makes a man truly fall is something much deeper, much more primal, something most people don't even understand. A man falls in love when a woman makes him feel like more powerful, more unstoppable, more capable, more like the man he was born to be. When he looks at her and sees his greatest potential reflected back at him, something inside him locks in. It's not just attraction. It's not just desire. It's a fusion of his identity with her presence. Love, for men, isn't just an emotion. It's an internal shift. It's a transformation of who he is. When a man meets a woman who makes him feel like he's stepped into his ultimate self, his highest self, he won't just love her. He will become obsessed with her. Because now she isn't just a person, she is a portal to his evolution. Men are warriors at their core. They're designed to hunt, build, conquer. Society tries to soften that truth, tries to suppress the raw fire that burns inside every man. But when he meets a woman who doesn't shrink his power but awakens it, everything changes. Because now he's not just fighting for himself, he's fighting for something greater. And that's what locks a man into love. Not just her beauty, not just her words, but the way she makes him feel about himself. You ever wonder why some men stay in toxic relationships chasing women who destroy them? Because even pain is a powerful emotion. If a woman makes a man feel deeply, even in a destructive way, she has a hold on him. Because she is still shaping his identity, even if it's in a negative way. That's why weak men chase chaos. But strong men, they crave something different. A strong man doesn't fall for beauty alone. He falls for the woman who expands his mind, who ignites his ambition, who makes him feel like a force of nature. The woman who looks at him and sees not just who he is, but who he could be. That's why some women can have a man's body, but never his soul. Because they touch his surface, but they never reach the core. A man will cross oceans for the woman who makes him feel like a king, not in an arrogant way, not in an ego-driven way, but in a way that makes him feel unstoppable in his mission, his vision, his destiny. The moment he feels that, his heart is no longer his own. He will protect her. He will fight for her. He will build with her, not because she demanded it, but because she inspired it. This is why a woman's energy is everything. Her presence alone can make a man feel weak or powerful, lost or unstoppable, empty or full of purpose. It's not about manipulation. It's not about playing games. It's about energy. Some women drain a man's spirit, others awaken it. And the woman who awakens it, she becomes unforgettable. This is also why a man's true love is rare. Because most men never meet the woman who makes them feel this way. They meet women who entertain them, who please them, who support them, but few who elevate them. And when a man finally meets that woman, his soul knows he doesn't have to be convinced. He doesn't need to be pushed. His instincts tell him this is the one. Because now loving her is not just about attraction. It's about survival. It's about expansion. It's about becoming the man he was always meant to be. This is the truth no one tells you. Men don't fall in love with women. They fall in love with the version of themselves they see when they're with her. And once a man tastes that feeling, he will never, ever let it go. Here's a powerful, intense, and mind-shifting expansion of key point 2, crafted to shake your audience and make them see love in a way they've never imagined before. A man does not love with his heart. He loves with his destiny. Love for him is not just about feelings, not just about romance, not just about emotions that rise and fade like waves in the ocean. Love for a man is identity. It is purpose. It is a force that rewires his very existence. This is why men don't fall in love the way women do. A woman can love because she feels deeply, because she connects emotionally, because her heart opens when she trusts. But a man? A man loves when his entire being tells him that this is not just a woman. This is a turning point in his life. A man's heart is not enough to bind him to a woman. His emotions alone are not enough to make him stay. Feelings fade, passion cools, but when a woman aligns with his purpose, when she becomes interwoven with his mission, when he sees her not just as a partner but as a pillar of his future, that's when his love becomes unshakable. That's when his devotion becomes something bigger than desire, bigger than emotion, bigger than himself. Because now love is not just about her, it's about the life he sees with her, the legacy he will build with her, the future that would collapse without her. A man is born to build, he is born to fight, he is born to conquer. This is his nature. Strip a man of his purpose, and you strip him of his soul. But when a woman enters his life and doesn't just stand beside him, but fuels his mission, amplifies his drive, sharpens his vision, his love for her is no longer a choice, it is destiny. Because now, leaving her would mean betraying the highest version of himself. This is why men walk away from women they love, but stay with women they can't live without. It's not about who makes him feel good in the moment, it's about who aligns with his becoming. A man does not love in fragments, he loves in totality. He doesn't want a love that exists in just his heart, he wants a love that exists in his future, his path, his entire. Men do not fear commitment, they fear committing to the wrong woman. Because deep down, every man knows that the woman he binds himself to will either elevate him or destroy him. She will either be the greatest fuel to his purpose or the greatest distraction from it. And this is why a man may desire many women, but he will only love the one who becomes part of his mission. And women will either love him back or become part of his mission. A woman may capture his attention with beauty. She may hold his interest with charm. She may win his affection with kindness, but she will own his soul if she becomes part of his destiny. Because now, love is not just about what he feels for her, it's about who he becomes with her. It's about the world he sees when she is by his side. And once a man ties his love to his highest purpose, there is no force on earth that can break it.